Hello, my name is Robert Slim. I'm a personal injury attorney in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Since 1994, I have been helping victims of serious personal injuries and wrongful death get the justice they deserve. Today, I'd like to talk about how can you get a copy of your police accident report. Now, this may differ from state to state, but in Texas you can do it in one of three ways. You can request it in person, by mail, or online. If you are requesting your police report in person, you will have to visit the records section of the city police department that investigated your accident. You need to have some information handy in order for them to find your report. You will need your name, the date of the accident, location of the accident, and the police report number if you have it. Once you give them this information, they will locate your report and print it off. Then you will just pay for it and walk out with the report. Another way to request your report is by mail. Here you will just send a written request to the records section of the city's police department that investigated the accident. You will again provide the accident information along with the police report number. You will then send payment for the report, and you may also have to send in a self-addressed stamped envelope so that the reporting agency can send you back the completed report. The third and easiest way to get a copy of your police report is simply getting it online. The state of Texas has set up a centralized system called the Crash Records Information System. This is a website in which police reports are available for download. What you will do is visit the website, you will answer the questions and go through the prompts, and then you will be asked to give a payment by credit or debit card. And once your payment is complete, the police report will be available for download or maybe emailed to you. One thing to keep in mind when requesting your police report is that the agency is not allowed to disclose personal information unless you are a person that is entitled to the full version of the report. Back in the old days, anybody could go down to the police station and request a police report. However, a police report contains very personal information. It contains addresses, dates of birth, driver's license numbers, license plate numbers, vehicle identification numbers, so on and so forth. It also contained insurance information for the people involved in the accident. Back in the old days, anyone can go down there and get a copy of the police report and have access to all this personal information. Well, Texas law has changed, and now what is required is that all this information be redacted or removed from the report unless you can show that you are a person that is entitled to a full version of the report. Those people include those who were involved in the accident and a legal representative of those who were involved in the accident, such as your lawyer, the insurance companies of anybody that was involved in the accident. These are examples of people and entities that can still get a full version of the report. However, you have to be prepared to show that you are a person entitled to the full version of the report. Otherwise, you're going to get a redacted copy. A few miscellaneous matters you should keep in mind is that a police report isn't ready right away. It usually takes between 7 to 10 business days for a police report to be ready. Honestly, I've seen police reports ready as soon as 3 or 4 days after an accident, and it'll just differ from city to city just depending on how busy they are. The second thing you want to keep in mind is that there are fees for obtaining a police report. There is a $6 fee for obtaining just a raw police report, and an $8 fee if you want to get the report certified. I recommend that you get a certified report. Why? Because a certified report is admissible in court, and it'll save you time and money if you have to get a certified report later rather than having to request and pay for the report again. And it's only a few dollars more. So I always recommend just getting a certified report and getting it over with at the very beginning. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you had the misfortune of being injured in an accident, call me, Robert C. Slim, at area code 321-8225. Phones are monitored 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I will personally consult with you about your case and go over all of your options. Of course, the consultation is always free. And if you have me act as your attorney, there is never any fees until you collect on your case. Again, thank you for watching.